The third exercise is called Kasina. This again uses the relaxed focus exercise. Now that you are able to empty your mind of all thoughts, we are going to start building up targets of concentration intentionally. The variety of Kasina we will be focusing on are color Kasina. The idea is simple. Focus on a single color, i.e. white, black, red, yellow, green, and blue. Either visualize it in the form of a flat disk or occupying the entire visual field. This exercise focuses on the coherence metric. Coherence is the way that the different parts of your brain communicate. The front muse electrodes are directly over the part of the brain that pays attention to internal phenomena called the rostral prefrontal cortex. In this exercise, we will be increasing the amount of coherence between the left and right hemispheres. The increase in coherence corresponds to the amount of focus on the object you are visualizing. Perfect 100% coherence is impossible. The maximum that the brain seems to be able to achieve is 96 to 97%. Coherence and frequency both affect different parts of how the spotlight of attention is experienced. Coherence affects the brightness, while frequency affects the size and complexity. At first, only a small area of the target will be vivid, corresponding to a high coherence and a high frequency. As you are able to lower the frequency, the area of the spotlight will become larger. At first, simply focus on the idea of the color. Then, once that is stable, focus on the attention like a laser, again and again to see the color. Only not using your physical eyes. At first, it will be faint and difficult. The coherence will be low, and if you strain with your physical eyes, the tension will be high. Eventually, the color will become more and more visible. As it becomes more visible, the coherence will get higher and higher. Again, it is only necessary to develop this to 90% or so. Once you are able to clearly see the intended color, not just the idea of the color, this exercise is complete. In later exercises, we will combine shape and color, but if you have trouble visualizing complex textures like wood or cloth, try returning to this exercise and focusing on just the texture.